jet, jet.
Welcome to Pemsan TV Job Training, where skills and innovation transform lives. At the heart of Pemsan TV Job Training is our commitment to developing practical skills for employment, encouraging entrepreneurship, and enhancing economic independence. Each month, our program offers hands-on experience in a wide range of areas, including personal care products, household essentials, food and beverages, agricultural products, and fashion accessories. We're dedicated to not only building skills, but also fostering entrepreneurship and empowering communities for economic growth. Subscribe to Pemsan TVGH today to learn how you can gain practical skills, grow your business, and become economically independent. Before we dive into the process, let's go over the essential materials you'll need. Each item plays a unique role in creating an elegant and unique design that will elevate your fan. Gather these materials: feathers for a soft, luxurious look, satin or velvet fabric for a polished finish, hot glue or fabric glue to hold everything in place, and decorative stones or rhinestones to add a sparkling touch. You'll also need a fan base, a sturdy handle, lace or trimmings for detail, and beads or pearls for an extra touch of elegance. And of course, keep scissors and any cutting tools handy for those final adjustments. Let's get started on making something truly special. The fan base is the foundation of our project. Cut a piece of cardboard or foam board into a semicircle or full circle, depending on the style you want. This sturdy base will support all the decorations and give the fan its shape. Make sure the edges are smooth and ready for embellishment. Let's start with the feathers. These will give our bridal fan a fluffy, elegant look. Begin by gluing feathers along the edge of the fan base. You can layer them for a fuller, more luxurious effect. Feathers are the key to giving the fan a soft and glamorous appearance. Now for the glue. We're using hot glue or fabric glue for this project. It's essential for securing each element, from the feathers and fabric to the decorative stones. Be careful with the hot glue to avoid burns, and apply it in small amounts to prevent any excess mess. Let's add some sparkle with decorative stones or rhinestones. Arrange them around the fan or in a pattern that matches your style. You can place them along the edge or create a focal point in the center. Secure each stone with a small drop of glue for a glamorous finish. Next, we'll use fabric to cover the fan base. Cut a piece of satin or velvet fabric to match the size of the fan base, usually a semicircle or full circle. Glue the fabric onto the base to give it a smooth, luxurious finish. Press down gently to ensure it sticks evenly. Lastly, our cutting tools. Use scissors or a craft knife to carefully cut the fabric, feathers, and base materials to the right sizes. Remember to handle these tools with care for clean, precise cuts, as accuracy is key to achieving a polished, professional-looking fan. And that's it. With these materials and a bit of creativity, you can create a beautiful bridal fan that's truly one of a kind. Remember, feel free to personalize your fan with colors and embellishments to match your style. Subscribe to Pemsan TV Ghana for more tutorials like this. And now, let's welcome our talented trainees. After putting in hard work and creativity during the free bridal fan making session at Pemsan TV Job Training, it's time for them to shine. Each trainee has crafted a unique, beautiful fan that showcases their new skills. As they model their bridal fans, take a look at the details, the craftsmanship, and the personal touches each has added to make their fan truly one of a kind. These fans are not only beautiful, but represent the hands-on skills they've gained, ready to be used in real-world events. Let's celebrate their creations and the fantastic work they've achieved together.
Bridal fan, papa. Pemsan TV. Adana ni anything.
I come up Pemsan free training. Nyamin shram on okra nyami anim nie. Nya doctor ya ni so pi. Mama ya
Abra yedi asana. Bridal fan no hu ni say.
I come up na me ni sane ye de. Na so si market so e bi na me ye. Fine pa.
Yo, bridal fan no ni anything say.
Pacho is so simple. Mama ya ni aje na okra nyami anim nie. Pemsan TV for nyamin shram. Onyamo kase ni doctor iwe bia nyame manen sanka.
Meba, mama hu ni say na ni anything say.
Oh, and they come up. Me kwana me so sister brother for me timi aya. Mo uni adwuma ya bla ha benya adwuma yi.
Okay. Ekoye.
Ekoye pa. Dwamuka ye nyina ya no kure. Me fi wase kopo na me ba ye. Me na me ye. E simple mo kire wo no ahunu ye. Dwamuka bia ya no kure. Pemsan Trainee.
E free ana.
E free.
Ah, okay. E free.
E free.
Who ni say bridal fan?
Come pa me ka so bia mla. Bia du ko agu mi su ni nyina me na me ye ni nyina e free.
Wana eduku no.
Me na me ye e free ni ya sunya den. Etu obi amra no me ye bi e free.
Wana we ye.
Ai, but I'm sorry for my training as well, Mambra. Na Pemsan Job Training eje.
Oso no na ye o, akwa ono na ye na de. Ah, mama we dey no wana ye.
Ose.
Wana we ye.
Me sano doctor nya me shano. Me fi sunya tache. Me show bia se maya no bia amra na ye free.
E free.
E free.
Wani aje.
Many aje pa bibia ya kama bibia ya kwase kama next month the obi afa no humeshem na ye free.
Wani aje ye free.
E free. Wasa kropon for me ka kira mo samo mla na ye free.
Wani aje wana we ye.
Me ana me ye. It's a Pemsan TV there. What we je. So way, Obian Chabrada fire good me. Me ana me ye. It's over Pemsan TV. What's over here, dear Chelsea?
Keto anije wa. Ah, de. De. Yo, ni ya bridal fan. Ah, do. Mama bridal fan e ko say.
Me ba cho ya kama pa. Me ana me ya ma de, me ana me create ma de. Eti madam no say ma ya de pa, ti meti ma ye pa aso.
So, tell us, how has the bridal fan training been for you? Oh, it went really well. I made this bridal fan myself. I created this myself. It feels amazing to know I can make something so beautiful with my own hands. Absolutely. Our instructor even said I've done a fantastic job. Now, I feel confident that I could make these fans and sell. Yes, Pemsan TV Job Training is amazing and it's free. I feel so lucky to have been a part of this program.
Free. Oba found this school wako. Who grabet me I to be ambra. No mama shame na ya pa.
Pemsan TV Job Training. It's free. It doesn't matter whether you've been in school or not. This training is for everyone. So come on over, join us, and let's learn together.
Sugar. Let me a bridal for me sample my dear. Me kon me di koye echi mama me madam be say ma be sia. Tell na mama ni aje. Na ka doctor ya me sure ya kese. November ya say jine mu dende.
I had the church ready bia. How are you?
I was able to make my own bridal fan, and I'm also a seamstress and an apprentice. As I leave, I'll make sure to put this skill to use so my madam can see that I've truly learned something. That's why I'm so happy. We say, Doctor, God bless you. We'll be back in November.
Yeah, the brother fine, yeah. Pemsan Job Training.
I came to learn how to make a bridal fan, and now I'm going to put this skill to work. I'm also a seamstress. Everyone should see I can now make a bridal fan. Pemsan Job Training is free.
Because we can person is we need to through. When I'm just a mean to me yet, but madam for when you would thread share me, my makes said to me and to me, don't must mean sure. Pemsan Job today free.
I came here specifically to learn this and to make wigs. At first, I thought I wouldn't be able to do it, but the madam took their time to teach us thoroughly, making sure we understood everything. So I want to say a very big thank you to them. May God bless them. Welcome to Pemsan TV Job Training, where skills and innovation transform lives. At the heart of Pemsan TV Job Training is our commitment to developing practical skills for employment, encouraging entrepreneurship, and enhancing economic independence. Each month, our program offers hands-on experience in a wide range of areas, including personal care products, household essentials, food and beverages, agricultural products, and fashion accessories. We're dedicated to not only building skills, but also fostering entrepreneurship and empowering communities for economic growth. Subscribe to Pemsan TVGH today to learn how you can gain practical skills, grow your business, and become economically independent.